Hey guys, I'm at my grandparents and I wanted to do a 3-minute video of me playing with their puppy Rowan. Say hi, Rowan. Rowan, say hi. This is Rowan, guys. He is a dog they rescued from the shelter. He's gotten used to me and is now my best dog friend. You want it? Go, Cheesa! This is their backyard. Huge. Look at that little face. Hi, Ro. Come here. Oh, wow! And you gotta be careful when you're playing with them, because if you're playing like rope or something like that, and then turn around, stop playing, he'll come running right after you, and he'll come running right after you, and then just jump on your back. Look at this little munchkin puppy. So cute. Rowan, good boy. Rowan! Rowan! I got your ball. Ready? Watch him. Watch. Look. And he'll go right under the truck. Rowan, go get it! I'm gonna get it! Not the ball, silly! The ball! The ball, silly goose! The ball! Watch this. I bet she's gonna go under the truck. Rowan! Oh, shoot! Rowan! Can't be doing that, puppy. Ready? Go get it! I'm gonna get you. Bro, you guys, he's so stinking cute. Thanks for playing with me and Rowan. Bye!